Baking soda is a super ingredient sitting in the back of your cabinets at home. Something cheap that can zap bad smells, keep your teeth sparkly white, and even treat life-threatening diseases? Yes. That box of baking soda, also known as bicarbonate of soda or sodium bicarbonate, can do some unbelievable things. Here are 7 baking soda hacks you should know. 1. Hair growth. Baking soda can increase hair growth and usually is mixed with vinegar to do so. Mix baking soda 1 part with 3 parts of water. Apply this mixture to your hair and take 1 to 3 minutes and rinse it well with warm water. 2. Reduce bloating. Once you know that you're dealing with frequent bloating, try relieving the uncomfortable situation with a teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in 4 to 6 ounces of water. 3. Skin and facial scrub. Baking soda can improve wrinkles, blackheads, and tarnished skin. Add a tablespoon of baking soda to your usual facial cleanser and form a paste. Massage into your skin in circular motions to help exfoliate and leave skin feeling soft. 4. Natural deodorant. Baking soda is a natural deodorant. While popular deodorants today contain aluminum that stops the sweat glands in the armpit from sweating, studies have shown that the aluminum in deodorants can cause cancer and Alzheimer's disease. Make a healthy switch from aluminum deodorants and try one that uses baking soda. 5. Cures heartburn. Baking soda relieves heartburn. If you drink a teaspoon of baking soda dissolved in 8 ounces of water, it can neutralize stomach acid and temporarily alleviate heartburn caused by acid reflux. 6. Fights bad breath. Baking soda can rebalance the levels of acid and help to treat and prevent halitosis. Dissolve half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water to make an effective mouth rinse to beat bad breath. 7. Remove stretch marks. Baking soda is a natural exfoliant and it removes the dead skin cells so that your stretch marks will be removed easily. Take a washcloth and squeeze a little amount of body wash on it. Add a teaspoon of baking soda to it. Fold the cloth and rub it with your hands to mix the baking soda with body wash. Then scrub and enjoy younger-looking skin. The list of baking soda benefits goes on, so feel free to share more in the comments section below. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and hit the bell button to keep you notified and updated with our latest videos. We are trying our best to give you the most informative health-related videos, regularly. Thanks for watching, The Health Room.